Okay.
This is an REO. It is a foreclosure. Actually, it was a reverse mortgage, but the person died, and after months, they got the other people that were squatting here out. This is the nastiest house I have probably ever been in. They're asking $95,000 for it, and I'm very familiar with this neighborhood. There ain't no way they're gonna get $95,000 for it. A completely revamped house in this neighborhood sells for $180,000, and that just means refinishing the already good hardware floors and putting granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in it. This house needs to be completely torn down and rebuilt. This is a really beaten up and left to die house. There's no electricity, so no water, no nothing. Nick, aim at the really bad stuff. This house is horrible. What did they do in here? People were living here until like a month ago. This is, oh, there's a big hump here. I'm a little afraid. Get a good shot of this lovely bathroom. Nobody's gonna pay $95,000 for this house. I don't know if anybody would pay $50,000 for this house. Can't see it real good because, like I said, there's no electricity. But it's a bad house. Can't believe people were living here. This lovely window here. The people who lived here lived on welfare and junk collecting. What is up with that ceiling fan?
It's covered with dust.
Oh my gosh. This is after people spent a couple weeks cleaning this house. My goodness. Okay, I think I've seen enough. I was just a little curious. But I am entirely satisfied. The roof leaks, but the roof's probably the best thing on the house. Need I say cut? I am wearing my personal protective equipment. I have a mask. I have the glove hand that I'm touching everything with if I have to touch it. And I'm wearing glasses to protect my eyes. This is a vacant house. Come on in. Film the house and not me. This is the living room. It's unbelievable how new this house looks. They pretty much rebuilt the whole house. So this is the living area. And step through here to the dining area. Everything looks brand new. The kitchen.
Laminate.
Is it laminate?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
It looks like granite. Double stainless steel sinks, stainless steel appliances. Looks like a totally different house for lights. They probably replaced all the sheetrock. This is the first bedroom. Nice solid wood doors. pretty big closet. And the bathroom, which they've done a makeshift linen closet here. Everything in here is new, obviously. Everything is new. And then another bedroom. Also, solid doors. This one's kind of small. And then a coat closet they didn't put a rod in. And this is the biggest bedroom. You put these good solid doors throughout, new windows throughout, everything's new. And now we're back to the living room. I'm hoping you can see the space. Oh, how do we get to the backyard? Maybe we can side there. Okay, the gate doesn't move. Get the backyard, they put in a new privacy fence. No idea why they left up the chain link fence. At least they painted it.